We'll guide you through how to host your website on Netlify, making it accessible to the world. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Netlify website at netlify.com. You'll need to create an account if you haven't yet, or simply log in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Click on the New Site from Git button, which allows you to deploy your site directly from a Git repository. You can connect to GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Choose the platform where your project is hosted and authorize Netlify to access your repositories. After that, select the repository you want to deploy. You'll then be asked to set up the build settings. If your project is using a static site generator like Gatsby, Hugo, or Jekyll, make sure to specify the correct build command and publish directory. Next, click on the Deploy Site button, and Netlify will start the build process. Once your site is deployed, you'll be given a temporary Netlify subdomain that you can use to visit your site. If you want to customize your domain, go to the Domain Settings section where you can add a custom domain you own. Netlify also provides free SSL certificates to ensure your site is secure. Simply enable it in the settings. With your site live, you can manage your deployments, view site analytics, and configure site settings directly from the Netlify dashboard. It's that simple to get your site up and running with Netlify. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.